5 best garage door openers. Here is the product number 5 top quality smart remote. Top quality smart remote, smart compatible remote, smart lifter remote, smart garage door openers remote 433.22 MHz 100% work. Brand name, IMOT Master. Is _ customized. Yes. The remote is compatible with smart lifter openers. Frequency 433.22 MHz. Rolling code. Here is the product number 4 aftermarket Dominator. Aftermarket Dominator THX4 remote Dominator 315 MHz rolling code Dominator garage door opener. The remote for replace Dominator 315 MHz rolling code remote red button remote. ELS note it is not Dominator 315 MHz fixed code or with dip switch. Unit type, lot 10 pieces / lot. Here is the product number 3 the remote control. The remote control replace for Chamberlain ML1000EV-F garage door opener. The standard programming procedure is as follows. Using the yellow round button, press and release the yellow round button on the opener. The learn indicator light will glow steadily for 30 seconds. Here is the product number 2 CPS Jolly for universal. This remote can duplicator CPS Jolly for fixed code. ELS kindly note we only sell the replacement remote, not the original one. The remote control is the same function as your original remote. It should programming with original receiver according to your original manual when you get it. Here is the product number 1 GSM gate opener GPRS. GSM gate opener GPRS 3G door opener RDU 5025 remote access control unit 999 users open gate / barrier / shutter / garage door. Brand name, Sufurant model number RTU 5025. The RTU 5025 is an upgraded version of famous RTU 5015 gate opener, a very simple device which can be used.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.